In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone in Exness. To get started, open your Exness personal area. This is where you manage your trading activity and access the tools connected to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Trade section. This area is where Exness gives you access to the available trading interfaces. So if you want to adjust chart-related settings like time zone, this is the right place to begin. After that, click on Exness Terminal. This will open the web-based trading platform where you can view charts, monitor price movement, and customize certain display settings. Give it a moment to load fully so everything appears correctly on the screen before moving on. Once the terminal is open, go to the chart or graph area. Right-click anywhere on the chart, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where many chart display options are stored, so if you need to personalize how the platform looks and behaves. This section is especially useful. Inside the Settings area, click on Symbols, then scroll down until you find the Time Zone option. Depending on your screen size, this may be a little further down, so take your time and make sure you don't skip past it. The Time Zone setting controls how time is displayed on the chart, which can be important if you want your trading view to match your local time or a specific market session. When you find it, click on your preferred time zone. Choose the option that best fits the time reference you want to use. This can help make chart analysis easier, especially if you track opening and closing sessions or compare price action across different regions. There is also another way to work with this more comfortably. At the top right area of the chart, click the full screen mode. Expanding the chart can give you a clearer view and make it easier to access controls, especially if you are working on a smaller display. Once you're in full screen, check the bottom part of your current screen. You can also change the time zone from there. This gives you a quicker alternative if you prefer using the chart controls directly rather than going through the settings menu. That's it. By following these steps, you can update the time zone in Exness and make your chart display better match the way you trade. If you're doing technical analysis, keeping the correct time zone can make your chart readings much more intuitive and organized.